Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the tub gasket on this KitchenAid dishwasher, grab one end of the old gasket and pull it out of the channel. To install the new tub gasket, fold it in half to identify the middle of the gasket. Then insert the middle of the gasket into the channel directly under the door latch strike and press the gasket into place. Work your way around the tub until the gasket is fully seated in the channel. Make sure the ends of the new gasket extend out approximately 1.5 inches from the bottom corners.